nice spot right here. Checking out some braised pork belly with egg and some sour clam soup. Let's see how that goes. Oh man, delicious. Delicious. Sweet, savory, porky. Love it. Not too spicy. Amazing. The seaweed here, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's really good. It's like some sort of sea grapes. Oh, no. I lied. That was peppercorn, fresh peppercorn. Yeah, look at that. Trying to minimize the rice I eat. You know, getting on that low carb diet. As I mentioned, I'm doing a 10K. But I can't help myself. I love rice. Oh yeah, delicious. I have one last scoop. Baby scoop, I promise. Oh yeah. This is a pretty small dish anyways. You know, there's not much pork around. I mean, it's pretty cheap. Mind you, there's only, what, 55,000 K, that's like $275. Cheap, can't go wrong. I mainly just wanted the soup, to be honest. Let me go in. I'm just gonna go right from the bowl. The sour soup, you know how much I love that sour soup, but this one is with clam today. Oh yeah, sweet, savory, not too sweet, which is good. Let me get in on this bad boy here. Ooh. Nice tang, love it. First time here, eating rice that is. Came in for breakfast the other day for half pho, but it was more like a southern pho where it's definitely more sweet than regular northern pho. So here for the rice, but yeah, very good and very enjoyable. Can't go wrong. Bomb. Wash it down. And time for my soup, baby. This is my main course. Oh yeah, love it. Oh yeah. So okra. I always forget the name of the spongy ass veggie here, but it's like spongy. It's like a spongy stem here. But it's really nice. Just soak the way it's spongy. It's like holes all throughout. It just soaks up all the soup perfectly. I want to say it's like some sort of like banana stem or something, but fact check me on that. I'll double check later for y'all. Some little clammies here. Nice and sweet. Okra, you know I love okra too. So delicious. Even though it's so hot out here, I can drink this every day. It just warms the soul. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take my time with this baby. And y'all gonna watch me take my time, I guess. Oh, some clam off the shell. I'm gonna load this bad boy up. A little bit of everything. Here we go. Oh yeah, see that? Oh yeah, can't go wrong. Love this baby. Just that broth. Oh, it's like the perfect balance of like sweet, tangy, oh, acidic, savory. Got that sweetness from the clam. Full of umami from the tomatoes. Sweetness probably comes from the pineapple. Oh man. Oh yeah, bomb, delicious. Yeah, so I spent this evening just doing some video editing back at the hotel. Got hungry, didn't realize the time how late it was, so I just came right downstairs from the hotel, and this was just across the street. And yeah, simple, cheap. I'll leave the address down below for you guys if you guys ever want to check it out here in Da Nang. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this evening. If you guys like what you guys see, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.